there's only 4 motherboard manufacturers really to pick from: Gigabyte, Asus, ASRock, and MSI. I personally like Gigabyte boards. I think they're really good value for the money. And if I were you, if it was me, I would go to Newegg. I'd search components for motherboards, Intel based, so that whittles it down. And then you'll do socket 1151, that'll whittle it down. And then sort your results from Gigabyte, which will whittle it down, and then sort it by price. And then look and see what bells, whistles, and features. The less you pay, the less stuff you get. Maybe fewer USB ports, what have you. Maybe built-in Wi-Fi, maybe not. You're not getting a bargain. Like if you're buying a $100 board, you're getting a $100 board. If you're buying a $250 board, you're getting a $250 board. So they're both good values because you're getting more when you pay more. And if those things you're getting are not important to you or useful to you, then it wouldn't make sense for you to pay for things you don't want or use. But that's something only you know. I don't know.